Question 7a. Madam Kwakyewa imported a quantity of frozen fish costing 400 Ghana cedi. The goods attracted an import duty of 15% of its cost. She also paid a sales tax of 10% of the total cost of the goods, including the import duty. You need to know that. And then sold the goods for 660 Ghana cedi. Calculate the percentage profit. This is the selling price. The total cost is needed. You know the cost initially, but from the question, the import duty, the sales tax, they are all added to the initial cost price. So by this, you need to get the total cost. So initial cost of the goods is 400 Ghana cedis. Now, import duty, by the question, it is 15% of the initial cost. That simplifies to 60 Ghana cedi. The import duty is added, so you have new cost price. New cost price is initial cost price plus import duty. That gives 460 Ghana cedi. If you continue, the sales tax paid include total cost including the import duty. So you are calculating 10%. You are calculating 10% of the new cost price. So 10% of 460 Ghana cedis simplifies to this, and that is 46 Ghana cedis. Now you cannot get the total cost. Total cost becomes initial cost plus import duty. That is now 460 plus sales tax 46. That gives 506 Ghana cedis. Profit is selling price minus cost price. That is this, and you have 154 Ghana cedi. Percentage profit is equal to profit over cost price times 100. Profit over cost price times 100. That simplifies to 30.43%. Question 7b. In a school, there are 1,000 boys and a number of girls. The 48% of the total number of students that were successful in an examination was made up of 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls. Find the number of girls in the school. Solution. From the question, number of boys, they are 1,000. Number of girls, unknown. Let it be S. It follows that total number of students in the school become 1,000 plus S. That is number of boys plus number of girls. Successful students, those that passed the exam, is 48% of total students. That is from here, 48% of the total number of students that were successful. Now, this 48% is made up of 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls. Let us leave that part first. Let's work on 48%. So we get 48% of the total students. That simplifies to this. Now let's get 50% of boys and 40% of girls, and we equate it to the 48% of the total students to enable us get the value of S. So you have 50% of boys is this, plus 40% of girls is this. That simplifies to this. So finally you equate this to 48% of the total students. That gives this expression. If you open the bracket in the left hand side, you have this expression. Next thing is to collect like terms in this form. When you subtract, you have this result. To get S, number of girls, divide through by 0.08. That gives 250, 0.08. So therefore there are 250 girls in the school. Peter Course Simplified Maths. If you are watching and viewing from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, like and share PSM videos. If you are watching and viewing from Facebook, follow and like the page for more updates. Also share PSM videos.